Hi and welcome back. So I'm in Kunming, I'm in a district of Kunming City, and I'm gonna see what's going on at night here in Kunming City. So it's very lively. It's about, hi, hello. So it's really lively here, and we're gonna go and find out what's going on. So yeah, let's go see. And I can see something over there with a lot of light, so we're gonna go have a look. Got some selling bintang hulu here. It's about 9:15, and as you can see, it's pretty busy still. Hi. So I'm gonna head. This is a big shopping centre here called Hello World. 你来自中国哪里？
我来自中国Kunming。
Kunming。
对对对。
Okay, Kunming。
对。
Yeah, Kunming. Yeah.
Hello.
哦，我中文非常一点。我的家深圳，老婆中国人。
老婆中国人。
对。
是哪里人？他老婆是中国人。
广东梅州。
广东靓女。
好。
广东靓仔。
Bye. Right, that was interesting. Those young girls were very excited to be in the camera. So I'm going to head down to those lights to see what that's all about. As you can see out here, there's some stores selling clothing here. Actually, sometimes you can pick up some bargains here. Look, you see some 79 yuan, 49 yuan t-shirts, and this is a brand that's popular over here. It's called Cartello, but they have a logo which is a little bit like Lacoste, but they have some decent stuff for the money. Anyway, let's go down to this. Not sure what this is down here. They got a Huawei store here, but like it's probably approaching. It's about 9:15, as I said, but the thing is I would not be comfortable walking around a British city at this time of night. But here in China, you have no worries whatsoever. There's lots of young people out, as you can see, lots of young girls, lots of young guys, lots of families. Hello, hi. So, I don't know what all these lights are down here, but it looks very good. This is the other entrance to the shopping centre here. So, yeah, let's get down to the lights. Cool, what's this here? Phoenix Club. Is that a nightclub? It could be. It could be a nightclub, maybe. I think it is. Some sort of nightclub or KTV or something like that. Not sure. But anyway, looks kind of cool. But look at all this. Man, it looks mental. What the heck? Okay, so let's get across the road because there's a lot of traffic about here. Man, this looks well good. What the heck? So, we are in the action. Look at this. It's nuts, isn't it? So let's go and see what it's all about. Huh? There's some people fishing over here, look. What? Look at this. It's like there's a little throw the rings, the hoops over things to win there. But look at this, there's people fishing. We got fishing going on. Oh, they're big fish. Cool. They're getting the food. Oh, you feed them. That's what it is. You get some food and you feed them, look. And then I think there's people fishing over here. I can see people with fishing rods. Yeah. Oh, look, the little girl's fishing. Oh, you caught some fish. Wow, they've caught one. How? Wow, look at this. God, it's mental. Oh, it's food. It's some sort of like a barbecue. Oh man, look at all these guys having fun here. Wow.
Hello.
Hello. How to? Again, what do you in? How to man?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice to meet you.
Wow, look nice. Wow, Fei Chang Hao. Wow, cool. Wow. Loads of people. Ah, this is it, look. Man, look at all that. Oh, that's looking pretty good, isn't it? Oh, look at all the lamb. Man, it's packed. Look how busy it is. Look at all the tables. Whoa. This guy's getting people in. There's another barbecue one here, look. They've all got their food going on. Hello. It's kind of mental, all this. Look at all the people just out enjoying themselves. Wow. Okay, let's keep walking and see what else is down here. Oh, it's just, I think it's all eating places. That's what it is. It's quite cool though. Oh, this place is not so busy here. Oh, this looks like a hot pot place. Not so busy though. Another place here with loads of people eating. Oh, it's like some big hot pot. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's not so busy down here though. Let's turn around and go back the other way. It looks cool though, doesn't it? Look at that. Wow. Look at this place. Man. I think maybe because it's not so warm today, it's a bit chillier than usual. Hello.
Hello.
But it's a little bit cold tonight. I'm not that cold because I'm walking. Well, there's a bar here. Look at all the different beers he's got here. Wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it? He's got all different. Are they IPAs? Oh, they look good, don't they? Whoa. If it was a bit warm, I'd have a beer, but it's a bit cold for a beer. That's kind of cool, though. As I was saying, it's not that busy down this end because I think it's a bit chilly to be sitting outside tonight. But I bet if this was a summer's evening, this place would be absolutely rammed. I mean, it's fairly busy, but there's a few spots of rain coming down as well. But it's just kind of a cool place. It's like all lit up and everything, man. It's well cool. But look, there's loads of people. Oh, what's this guy doing? He's making some big pancake here. Look, he's dressed up as Monkey King. Hello. 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 He's making the pancake, and then this guy's cooking it. Look. Ah, interesting. Yawisa. So many little stores. What's this woman making here? Oh, she's making these little, I don't know, I think it's like a egg mixture, and she flips them around. Look at that. Whoa, that's kind of cool, isn't it? Lots of Chinese people getting their evening food. Oh, there's some more over here, look. Oh, it's all kicking off, isn't it? Big fruit store here, look. Loads of people here eating barbecue. Look at all that. Got a barbecue. Can't believe it's about 9:30 now. It's mad here, but look at that. Look at that in front. That is so cool. Whoa. I got one of those big teapots there, look. What's this place then? Oh. Oh, it's like some sort of, it's another kind of eating place by the looks of it. It's another kind of eating place. People enjoying their food. Cool.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Thank you. You want one?
Đây.
Let's go. There you go. He wants one too.
Thank you, thank you.
Bye bye. A couple of guys wanted a picture with me there. They either know me from the channel or they just want a picture with a foreigner, which is probably more like the case. Oh yeah. So okay, let's walk. We need to get back. Oh, there's another game here. Look, you got to throw balls into those to win. Oh, you win. Very good. It's starting to rain now. I'm going to get wet. I need to get into some shelter somewhere because it's starting to rain quite heavy. Well, not heavy, but I got about 1.5 kilometers to walk back to my hotel. Anyway, let's see where we can shelter out of the rain. Oh, I think I have to go in this shopping centre for a short amount of time to just shelter out of this rain. They're just really chucking it down. Oh, this is a shopping centre I came into the other day. If you haven't, oh no, it's not. Yeah, it is. I actually did a video in this shopping centre the other day. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll leave a link up here if that video's up first. So when I was in this shopping centre the other day and did my video, it wasn't that busy, right? Because it was late afternoon, but it's now 9:30 at night, and look at it, it's packed. Look at all the people. Wow. Look how busy it is at 9:30 at night. It's crazy, man. But this is the thing with China. Like in the daytime, these places won't be very busy. When you come to them in an evening time and they're mad busy. I won't go around here too much because I've already done a video on this shopping centre. But I'll have a look around here. I'll just have a walk down here and then I'll get on my way back to my hotel.